top 10. We going Fred. We were top 10 dead or alive. Swear to God, you already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
What's going on, y'all? Apparently everyone wants to fucking cut grass today. Like 5 people fucking cutting grass. There's a nigga literally riding on the road with a lawnmower. There's a nigga with a weed whacker. There's a nigga around there with another driving one. You just picked the one day I want to film, bro, and everybody want to cut grass. Fucking National Cut Grass Day. But anyways, today we got my 9th gen here. Today we're going to be doing the first oil change on the fully built motor. If you guys don't know, if you're changing the oil on a fully built motor for the first time, you should expect some metal shavings. So right now we're gonna change the oil and look. Yeah, we're gonna look for metal. So what this is, it's a Skunk 2 magnetic drain plug. It's gonna just make it a lot easier to try to get as much metal out of the oil as we can. So we got the 17 socket on there. Shit. That's a little black. So this oil did have some water in it. It was contaminated from when I had the coolant leak in the intake valve. Some of the coolant could have definitely got into the oil. Luckily, I didn't drive the car a lot before this oil change. This oil was just in the car to make sure everything was good. But we got this oil out the car fast. Even after this, after changing the oil, I drove it for about a week and then I changed the oil again. The oil did look a lot better. Oil is also going to be naturally a lot darker just because of everything that was used to assemble the motor, like the engine assembly lube and the Honda bond. All the extras getting kicked out into the first oil change along with metal shavings, you know what I'm saying? So that's really what I got the magnetic drain bolt for, was to get all those metal shavings or as much as possible out of the oil. Pretty sure it's all metal, but that looks crazy. All right, you guys, so this is the oil that we're using to break in the motor. Valvoline 10W30, just some regular fully synthetic oil with the OEM Honda filter. I'm just trying to have a decent day, you know what I'm saying? So I put about 4.4 quarts just for now, just to get the car started. Let it run for a little bit, turn it off, and measure the oil, see where it's at. See it on camera, but smoke is smoking. I believe this is due to the turbo oil drain line. It's not straight all the way down. It kind of has a part where it goes up. Smoke coming out at idle. Once we drop though, it's
gonna put some dirt in your eye.
Gotta get new stickers. I don't even got precision no more. I run Pulsar. All these damn love bugs, bro, in Orlando. Oh, these bugs right here are the most annoying bugs in Orlando, fam. Chat niggas, bro. Like, what's good, bro? Get a life, bro. I'ma leave y'all alone, but leave me alone, bro. Yo. So I need the alignment pretty bad right now. I've changed the oil twice now since the engine's been first started up. We just taking it easy, breaking this shit in. About to put y'all on, man. Got some goodies over here. Goodies only. I'm not gonna lie, they oxtail type fire, bro. That shit's type fire. I'm not gonna lie. I'm feeling kind of nice. Let's go grocery shopping. You know what I'm saying? Oh. Calm down, bitch. What's wrong with you? Grocery getter, nigga. Been at a standstill. Cosmetically, the car just doesn't look good to me anymore after like sitting for so long. The hood is just completely messed up. I don't know if y'all can see that, but scratches everywhere. The whole roof, the wrap is f***ed up from sitting in the sun. Y'all can definitely see that. Like, it's bad, bro. I need a new banner. That's easy. I might try to rewrap the hood, but I also got some new tires on the way, some 215/35s. I'm gonna throw in the stock, and I'm gonna lower the front. I'm gonna lower the front down a little bit, not as low as it was before. I might raise it back up a little bit just because these are 225 40s and I'm gonna be switching to 215 35s. So the car's gonna naturally sit lower. So I'm gonna raise it back up a little bit and lower the front. I'm gonna try to get it to look good. So once we get the tires in, I'm gonna mount and balance them myself. I'm throwing them on the car, and at least we'll have a low car to look at again, you know what I'm saying? Because this shit look, I'm not gonna lie, this shit looks disgusting. There's not even no point. You know what I'm saying? These are giddy tires, bro.
I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
Oh my fuck, the fender. I forgot the fender, bro. This is the worst part of the car. If you know, you know. Looks like a fucking hot box right now. Hey man, what we cooking up over here, brody?
We got it all, bro. We got that swine, bro. That swine flu.
Oh,
we bringing that shit
Nah,
back.
deadass, what is that though?
That swine flu, whoa. That motherfucking swine flu, yeah.
Nah, deadass, you could tell me what that is, man.
Nah, that's some ribs, bro. You know,
That's right.
you know the black people shit. I can't pick this shit up though.
It look heavy as fuck, boy.
Yeah, bro.
We good, we good. Got the glizzies, got the burgers, big paws. We got it all. I'm about to jump in this bitch, I'm not gonna lie. Big vibes, bro. There's like 25 niggas in this crib. 30. Let me take off my socks here. Oh, shit. I can't even jump in this bitch on my phone.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. Gotta drop a couple for them Aggies.